fucking rookie. How long is the ratchet strap? Looks like you need some saving, bro.
Huh?
You done fucked something up.
Yeah, the whole catch pens filled with fuel. So I don't know if it was an O-ring or the probably.
Shit. About to go. Liam Neeson's about to tow fucking Todd's bitch ass back to his pits. Tow truck, race truck, all the same thing. Whoops. What done?
Oh, you know, just checking my air pressure. Oh.
You ready or what?
Yes.
What all did you do to your shit?
Fucking whole new motor, whole new tranny, whole new everything. Everything's new and it's gonna fucking run good.
You better run faster than the motor car.
I know.
This car's light, huh? I told you, dude. 1730? What did I tell you?
I'm not bad. Like, I'm 2380 with a full thing of gas and me in it.
I didn't even think you could get him that light.
Dude, he is light.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Come out here, have some fun.
Yeah.
Make some
They
passes.
started off rough.
Fuck everybody, dude. Bunch of people fucking acting like children. But yeah.
But anyways, the rest of the day is gonna be good.
Gonna let her rip to your chip, blow her up.
Fuck, dude. If
Private track day rental, we got all day to just fucking run passes.
Yeah. If it doesn't run at least at like 11, I'm gonna turn off boost cut. Freaking.
It's a bad idea.
Unplug the wastegate.
Well, you got a twin disc now too, so it should be able to shift fucking titties.
Well, that and I got a fresh gear set that's a little bit better shape, so
yeah.
Hopefully.
Yeah, you got to race Carlos too.
Let's go get him in line then, fool.
Shit, just chill your ass out. So we missed it, but Wyatt just went 11.6 at 125.
First run, brand new motor, right off the trailer, baby.
11.6, 125. See if we can get that 10-second pass, boy.
Dude, that felt slow, buddy.
Yeah, I bet.
I'm shooting for a 10 now.
Fuck yeah, dude.
11, but fuck that.
At 132.
Boy.
Hey.
What?
Hey. You feel like you're missing something? You're missing your alternator bolt.
I forgot to tighten that up. Bro.
After you pass, they're like, hey, here's his alternator bolt. It's like some dude that does Honda stuff.
Dude.
He's like, pretty sure it's his alternator bolt.
I pulled the front cover shield off yesterday and I loosened this to move the alternator.
He's so fucking stupid, dude. You didn't even put a bolt in it?
I forgot to tighten it, bro.
You're so stupid, dude. I don't know if your alternator's just chilling there.
Bro. That's funny.
Even though, dude, fucking 11.2 at 132.
Dude.
I'm pretty sure you can get a 10-second pass, dude. That second gear was shitty.
Try and hit a second.
Sounds like you need more in second, too.
Well, that's like already a lot. I think that was like 23 pounds.
It sounds like it wants it, though. Either that or you're slow at shifting. Dude, that's fucking dope. Second pass, dude.
Dude.
Second pass.
Alternator's still there. Oh, dude, the belt flipped around. What the fuck?
You fucking dip, dude. You're a dip.
That's awesome, bro.
Dipshit. Yo, hey. These dad bods hungry, dog. You saving this shit for later or what?
I forgot that there last night.
I thought you came prepared, motherfucker.
That was
morning.
That was from McDonald's, you dipshit.
My hash brown this morning.
Turn it up.
Dude, I don't know.
Carlos is about to run too. About to go have. I think you got more than.
Dude, I don't know what.
You got too much for him, so.
I feel like that's gonna like red flag them, and then they're gonna be like, "What's wrong with your doors?"
What?
I want to duct tape my door.
I don't give a shit if your door falls off. No, take that shit.
¿No tú no traes tape adentro para el amarillo?
Oh, my tape is clear too. I got clear duct tape. Yeah, you won't be able to notice it. It's gonna rip the paint off though. Yeah, yeah, it'll take paint with it though.
Here, we got some regular tape here, so.
Like painter's tape? Oh yeah.
The inside or the outside?
The outside.
On the
So,
paint?
yeah.
You going or what?
I'm gonna adjust this real quick. Then we will.
Okay.
I'm gonna go down. I'll go down at the same time as you guys.
With us?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to slam your door and then tape it?
You won't race?
Yeah. We'll just slam it here.
Oh, Ricer ass kid thinks he's all bad now because he ran 11s.
There's no line.
Give him the hit and I'll.
Yo, shit off and get down.
The old sketchy dad, the sketchy DA. Let's go.
Screw you.
Fucking let's go.
Screw you.
I should splice in the funny video of Lucy climbing across you. Right? Come here, Luce. Come here. Come on, let's go. Come here. No. Come this way. Come here, Luce. Come here. Luce, come here. Let's go for a ride. Come on. Come on, Luce. Come on, let's go. Let's go for a ride. She's so stupid. What are you doing, Luce? Go for a ride? Let's go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, that sounds fucking good. 11-1 at 133. Hey. Hey.
Dude, it was bouncing first pretty hard. That's why I short shifted it. Dude, what the fuck? Oh, it just keeps falling off.
I was like, hey, last time that happened, he broke an axle. God damn. Oh shit! That might be it. Oh shit! Woo! So many rocks on the track. Oh shit! $11.9 at 120.
That's awesome. 11.
That was fun. That was fun. That was fun. Ride.
What happened?
Dude, you can't get me on video with hair like this. What is
You gonna
this?
fix your hair, dude?
Yeah, dude. Well, we ran 11s. It's not what we wanted, but it's better.
Launch bogged hard on the launch.
Yeah.
Bandamir sucks at life.
Oh, yeah, they got this.
Dude, they're gonna ban me from
And then
the
now
track
what?
if I agree with that.
We had all kinds of issues. Had to get a new
Yeah.
battery for it.
Battery, my chain went got regulated.
And then Derek left right as we needed to adjust a tune.
Come on, Derek, what the heck? I know you waited for me all afternoon.
Yeah.
Come on now, bro.
Yeah. And then tune was still good though. It was like 12.8, 13.0.
Yeah.
The weight on the track, so it was good. Idle was a little weird. Wyatt's bitch ass broke an alternator belt again after I got him
He
one.
got his personal best though. Don't
Yeah.
do that. Let's say-
That's what we still need to go interview him.
Yeah, let's go.
Let me go see what Wyatt's doing. Hey. Hello.
Hey, dude.
What happened? You ran really shitty. You don't know how to slip your clutch. One.
Fuck you. Broke
Two.
alternator belt.
We did run a 10.7 though at 133. So that's great.
Dude, check it.
I feel like I'm more excited than you. I fucking screamed like a little girl
dude,
after I did.
I wish I had the GoPro on.
You didn't have the
this
GoPro on, you were screaming?
No, dude, I was fucking yelling. I don't know how well you'll be able to focus.
No, it focuses great.
10-7.
Oh baby, that's still like that's what the
What?
that was a better 60 foot than the CRX would do.
Yeah.
And then like the same eighth though. That eighth is so bad.
I don't know why.
7.1/8 is so bad.
Dude, I fucked the pooch
10-7,
on third so bad
133.
that last pass.
Really?
Yeah.
Freaking decent, Ricky.
Damn right.
At least someone ran a good pass. Carlos ran an 11.9 or an 11.8.
Yeah, that's not bad.
At 120, he beat a CTSV.
Yeah. Fucking hey, dude.
Got some stuff we need to fix though.
Yeah, I bet.
Maybe next year the RX-7 will be done?
Huh?
Maybe next year the RX-7 will be done?
Fuck. Not the way you work.
Probably not, huh?
Dude, I shifted at 9200 a couple times.
Yeah?
And you can delete that because I was watching like the little digital numbers because I forgot to switch it before. So yeah.
Well, yeah. So just having issues with this car getting hot. Probably needs a better electric water pump and a better fan.
Yeah.
So get that figured
I
out for
blame the
next
damn
season.
Tune. It's the damn tune.
Dude, damn Derek. Damn Derek, where'd you go? No, yeah. I didn't even get to see him run his pass either.
Yeah, I didn't get to see him run at all.
I don't think he-
I didn't get to see anybody run.
I think he made like maybe one pass though.
I was literally charging my car all
Well-
day. That's all I was doing. It's just messing with the battery.
All I care about is that the fuel cell's still there. It didn't fall off. Even with that really bad wheel hop there at the end, dude. You have to see the video. It's so bad. Yeah, because you literally did a burnout.
It pulled the steering wheel off of my hands.
Dude, you literally, I know I saw it. It's, dude, because you literally did like a dry burnout.
Well,
There's no water there.
there was no water there?
No,
Well-
he didn't pull you forward. You just kept going. And
He
then
just looked at me and looked the other way, so I thought it was okay.
yeah, it was a fun event though.
Yeah.
It's kind of sucks. They said it was gonna go till 5 and they're closing them at 3. Really annoying.
Yeah, I know.
Really annoying. Give it some gas, don't let it die. Yeah, come. Come on. What are you doing, bro? Your legs don't even come close to touching the pedals. Like, can you even push the clutch all the way in? Dude, you tell me you forget which one's the clutch. Which one's the clutch? Which one's the clutch, bro? That's the brake! You can't even push them. You're a clown.